Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your MSI monitor supports built-in speakers or is connected to an audio device through the monitor, adjusting the volume correctly can improve your listening experience while gaming, streaming, or working. Depending on the model, volume settings may be available through the on-screen display menu, a joystick control, or companion software. If you are not familiar with the controls, finding the audio settings can seem confusing at first. The good news is that changing the sound level on an MSI monitor usually takes only a few moments. In this video, I'll show you several simple steps to locate and adjust the volume settings on your MSI monitor. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the MSI monitor and confirm audio is playing. Step 2. Access the menu controls on the MSI monitor. Step 3. Open the audio section of the MSI monitor settings. Step 4. Increase or decrease the volume on the MSI monitor. Step 5. Save the audio settings on the MSI monitor. Step 6. Test sound output from the MSI monitor to confirm the change.